enti obi amfanye nyansahia hot case ni master mu awone akora student akora keto ada wa hwe ma wo si wa akora keto ebetuma repu no what in kwasi asema wo kan hot case ya say yo etifo me pa cho cancel ya bo amatena mego maka kire mu say yan so nkwasi asem so hot cases ni me pa cho so they have be a number no to finish for the too many my friend messages asem me pa cho net na say en so le nko baby ya ye di asem omodin anatnas why they have no actually working but your number on the screens why mama kwa
thank you
but you want to know goodbye
council
okay but your boy man
council and patrol no SHS2 me headmaster me honor me headmaster frame or office dakor
headmaster
but
I think so you're soft kana
me headmaster frame in office the member on the mo and I'm McCoy na some more kind of day me wo ye ne feel na se meti ase ama na opede me ne twempena na otum ma migrate kosor because na enyemem na madisua wo fom kakra na me so pede mitum yade ma wo fo boma baldo okay na ma famiti ama no but later on may agree because I promise him there obema me defense de bia na ma penado no from one o ma me yade ma wo fo boma baldo o che mi sika nti menya je de mekoda ne na atwempena na wetum wa boam wo mi grace afeide one ma adama yinse na akwa kokoi ma ba be ka twende menyam osimi so a no nya yinse na nya ne dia na oye amem me classmates na me no won twempena na wanye
na ono classmate
me nyo obi an twempena wo so ono nkote ne benyina mehu no na me se me driver na akebia onji yinse no because I had my mouth want to menje bastard them
and I say we go school na wa pon wa na we say oni teacher na ko twempena normal protocol I didn't know who she had.
Miss
Na who she had anka wa pon
me class no competition na ye high binima dio
high ya na ko fufure ko be o mabon say e was school be bra bonbon to me akọ de omuni ma de na hwe na ntum no mtum ayi na waja na ukọ wa kra ketua o ma me wa wofo e de wa kwa to school mu station ade wa continue teacher ne akọtwempena say nyinsan ya ba wanya how many months
2 months
a pet teacher about your work cannot be understand.
Thank you so much. Point of correction, headmaster. And your teacher, be a headmaster.
Oh, yeah, headmaster
of the school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why so bon
No, I'm trying to put things in order because that is my position in the school. To put degrade me, I'll say me put you right. Now we'll upgrade me to my normal and perfect level. I will say me that.
Into a model man, no, Saka to send credit and Granish account say you so more. I ask.
No, I believe, sir, you've brought us here to solve the problem. You are rather accusing me of something I know nothing. She has said the side of her story. You need to give me the opportunity, the privilege, the mandate, the authority to also speak my mind. But you accusing me of that.
You just speak your mind. Speak.
Perfectly. My name is...
I don't need your name. Is that what you're master?
Of course, but you can't just call me master like that.
I can call you what?
Master so and so. That is how you can't...
Me, I cannot come to your school and call you then. I know you are headmaster, right?
Of course, we have a system.
Here I know you here. Master, now but say what? Now hot case is now one.
As you be in the case of bar, woman percent you.
Would you know me find your case never had we master? What is your family from Master Kofi and now Master Wine?
Me patch up situation in United States. Me na me headmaster. I was school kasi na wabema. Oba ye na me mo bia ten once sise. The one na mapano challenges are very high. Into be an situation obesua de a meet ne standard ne grade. Not knowing that Gina when it me different. I believe you are with me. Uti me dear. Hello. Ain't no many bar me wants one day. Uba so between school fees and I'm saying, many accounts officer. For come accountant no. Ne tria usika wo ho.
Hey.
Uko try another receipt to bring me. I'm saying, you give me the receipt won't solve the problem because everything is on the what they call it, our computer shop. Until which you are, no problem. Oh ma, all time, no about the visit me. Me no my dream say they be at my office. I me attending to my records name me nyama or send me.
But when you're that, you have time for Jack.
As what?
As in you understand.
Hey, please.
You don't speak the truth.
Please, I beg of you. When you were talking, I never uttered a word. So allow me to express.
Teacher, Castana meet you.
Who can man can be, but she's rather trying to chip in.
Mammy, come on, can answer.
At all time, know about my office. Mommy, I don't like that. I'm a married man. I respect my wife. I love my kids. I don't want to cause any harm. I don't want to cause any distractions. So I beg of you. But more dear say, you don't come here at all time. And now here, baby, catch it out. What they call it? One of the masters. Baby, they approach me.
And then some crown or move school money or no one and never.
Omo dosu, but omo bana mi chuo mo for the go. They don't come anymore. But me ni my dear pot ya no pay for me ho. One day we buy ye na woni me kasa wie no. And ko na lesson be na no so problem wo ho. Na me send ye so sa problem me come be mo de meeti. Sa teacher no chere na sa lesson no wa boa no. Wo wi because master me person use washroom. Na me say oh fine then go ahead. Na use washroom. Many bar me ho so no wo se watia washroom ho. Master, what teach him something? What is happening? Monsieur Kono Bonikedo. Nipa woko washroom, oko Bonikedo what to say.
Now what's required then?
It's so we so ko bia Latin when it's toppers. Into so called private credit, we are not called toppers we ya. You gotta clean it, you go your way. But you tell my friend, I said, yeah, all pin what to she. What teach him? And I me call ye, me call her ya. Bonikedo. Me damn because I can't control myself. Na me damn it. What's it? The night I fridge me shouldn't run up by me no rape me. She raped me.
Oh no, you raped me.
She raped me. She raped me.
Rape back.
What's in them says I did with you? Me pay. I don't want it because she's little. I can't be in there.
And see, or rape. Well, no. Also, more training now. And actually, say, if anything, one never show when I'm out with you.
Me patcho Debbie, me show ni mono. Me trust in an trust me tent in the name of man. Me show pejana na. O so me kon kiss me by force.
To kiss in a chest, I'm for the
network.
Network.
Right. And now, all of a sudden, officer come and to get him. But she forced to rape me up. Since them catch I don't want to see in that mood again. I don't want even me person with woman him. I don't want to set my eyes on her.
And to one another. A drive on one another.
She raped me.
Well, rape meaning or rape. Or only rape.
Yeah.
But since it's in Sayama.
Me patcho, first and foremost, the very day I didn't see you. God is my witness. It's the 4th February in the incident in the sea. Incident to see, you know. But how many months in you were June? Into 4 months now, Baba catch them say, you are pregnant and you are pregnant for me. How will I buy it?
Master, what do you say? We are cushioning.
Oh, come back so.
We are cushioning ginger and Papa Masada ginger and crash also.
A man of my reputation.
Yeah.
That's in what?
For you are doing.
Baby, she raped me.
Well, I will come be and will be a mouth. What's Master?
Oh, come back so.
Say we gina ho akra kitu ebet ma repu.
Me ne be pacho, me nyama bo yenye sensitive and clear with it. Anya me fie e no baaye. Ana nya me manko ni fie. Oba me office. Into so screaming or the crowd. Be because me na my body naked. Me na me raping ho. Because that is not that place is not hotel. Any hotel, any Lazap hotel. Anywhere,
Hey, pacho nya abutra na hot case na.
She's disgracing me.
Usuba na disgrace you. Talk to your mind.
Because
Hey, mami. Adenti na muko sukua. Mwanyine mo hunsua na munya teacher fo kwatwempena. Ha? Sama bonti me pesa the teacher ni ma me protocol.
Counselor, na me mbon yo.
Na wo mo anse da metie wo nsem a metwe nyina.
Okay. 55%. Na me mbon. But I just wanted to be the first in class, you get it? He's lying.
what by was you a counselor? God is my witness. Inshallah. Min chantro. What by was you a bong? And to not opportunity or percentage into what percent what they may as she share on me war. But that wasn't my intention. This is some previous. I mean, my worry many so many. She satisfied me so much.
Papa, what to get him as well?
Debbie, she satisfied me so much. I'm satisfied with my wife. And you know, how can I take this little thing for Christ's sake? What I'm going to do with it?
And to move to go among them who suati. Na munya say teacher na mini first. Na ma wofu hu se me ya ade ne ade ade. Last minute we ba na wabon. Ah, moko suku amunya teacher fo akwatwempena, ene ho fo akwatwempena na atomo ne nkwase asem. Se wanyem. Wo gina say form 2 ni. Woni teacher want to know bia teacher ni kura anyam. Pray ko a whole master. School master mua. Cool heart master. Ah, ana na nyem. Asia presia master no. Why boy or if any say braces. Enamlen master be ne bo braces. E kwa kira de. E she cool heart. No be hunu kwam. Ah? So wa hu mistake ya waye. Mo kosko ma wo fu ne mo trans tumufua wo ko no. Enko e me masem. O ma me wo to mo ne kra wo bre pa no nya ska do ko to screen. What you say? Wo kosko so antu afawim. Why nante? O fa aka. So ma me na me uska. Is all ma me wo to mo no odwem ko bre na onyes kan de ma akọ. Ansa na ne ma promises obeto aye dey. Ama wo. Wo ko mo ska beto aduane adi. Wo ko do tena so twufu enko e me masem. Yo ma me kan le ba yawa. Me boa. Wo na orusu wa adwen. Say adwuma adi.
Sounds like Kevin Manada cannot be nanturo.
Maybe wa asem na me wo so say. One after the other, right? Sad no. Enkura na mu kosto am ko di nkwase asem no. Mu beja sad na munyai. What it? They say wonyam. Wo be wo no be hwe. Wo de ne beto no. Me? No.
What it? Baby.
Master come on to me.
No.
Master me part hot cakes na one what it? We are best friend police amra before akosi. Come on to na me kasa. Come on to. Stop it, master. Jena share said repo wa share.
But you can't be my kid.
You can't do it.
No. I know nothing about it. You be kind of medicine.
Who could a Bible so no one in the share mammy. Can't tell mammy.
I, Fifi Robertson, headmaster of this wonderful and perfect senior high school. I stand here, neither I sit here in front of counselor or the kids, but I know nothing about your pregnancy. I believe strongly in some of her class.
You are a stupid master. Is it the way we are?
But I told you to say it for me to read your lips, but you never said anything.
Master. Why am I master from a mama? What's the high when you were book to be? And was there some one and within was school? Mono, I buy the bomb about so I must send for my brabo. Now must send for my brabo, and then teacher for my back. One name crying in Edda. Huh?
Minus me.
Minus me,
inshallah.
Me pass on the one come on to man kasa. Me friend police wa me friend na be fo akọ. I didn't know that teacher for am aba mo sem kura that. Obi agba kan ne baba be to school mu no. Mo sara mo ne wo mo da. Ena mo da no mo nketo de. Ena nkura nketo wo stu mu nyina mo ne wo da sem kura no. Mo say wo mo. The whole of master mo a wo he teacher for so, e madam for so, asa na be we nkura no so. Wa arade a wa ye. Teacher anya wo master mo e na wo ye ye push me to the wall. Me pa cho. Kan wa no tum. What? And let's say what case ya? Ya be me ya ni abremo so papa mo teacher for no master for money at school for students no e da no. Ya ni mu bedi papa. Ya ni mu bedi pa cho. Until next time no. See you were ye ma what case ma ya you were to school.
For what reason?
The why yet?
No. The
why yet?
No, please. I beg of you.
Yeah, trako.
No.
Yeah, be you went.
Have you seen the harm you've caused me?
Na you be anymore no.
Have you seen the harm you've caused me? You say I know mommy made you my bomb.
Usuba na ama na bo.
In my class.
Usuba na ama na bo. Next time, Sabai, and the Musi was someone shiny pardon no swa. Now, dear someone on bed and ever. And to be a fine young ancestor on case near Master Mwa near Kora, student a cracker to other. While her bema will see why I crack it to a bit my repuno. What in Cassia summer walk and hot case, I see. And yeah, maybe a travelet and yard and aqua. Nay, ye netty. Me pato was I so for them who so mean. Say baby obenya bi ebe oba no ebe ba akran ho na ide na until so be wo inu se busumi nu nso no wa me ba cho sira wa adwen kansela Yeboah matena mebem maka to say ne case na ye big case enti there how be a number na go screen so no me pa cho ofra e ba be sina na Yeboah ne ye nia kansela ne ya de ya kansela ne sisi enti de ba ye me pa cho me sro kire wa adwen me pa cho ye pa adwen kire abaye den ewum sira adwen kire abaye den ewum kire wa adwen number ne go so free na true enti pa cho
see I let you out the go
pa cho ya kire wi enti ye de kona ubete e be di kan wo fu mo no why police no ne ba dwani mo no fa why pa cho okay.
So be brave you won.
Fine.
What
you capre?
No, what capre and kasma me na be.
Usuba. Usuba teacher ni use kuru hat.
No, you can't tell me like that.
Fuck no so tell me. Fa kwasi as free as ko kasi edi agro ha hu. When ni mo ebuko todwe, wo kasi edi agro ha hu. Wo kasi hot case ya edi kwasi as hu. Ha? Wa kwasi as mo di obetuma anyi mo baba. Wo betumi anyi mo baba, akro betumi awo no. Obi de baba to school ma wa nyim akra ketwa we ne ma amenya den ne papa nya den what's me what mate yate edwo de akwa na dru ho no abeka just for repo police ni ngane mo chonko beja okuru hat ne ko master wa
ye wo de aye me ne kashen kodru wo so embi beto
wo so kasum kodu
ebi beto
wo so kasum kodu kashen kodru esentu esum ne mo adue
we will see.
We will see. What case we will see? Stupidity. Nonsensibility. Look at the hot case you didn't quite yet to show us them so. You didn't believe I'm cast I fear more better. May your boy see my cancer, your matram. I just have some now, I say. What? It's a form of name crackers and get a head. Master Muana name crackers and get a dada. What about that?